ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬ ደግሞ ይዤላችሁ የመጣሁት ለው መግባት ለምትፈልጉ ሲኦሲ ጥያቄዎችን ከእያንዳንዱ ዩኒቨርሲቲዎች አንድ አድርጌ ነው የሰራሁላችሁ። ሙሉን ብትከታተሉ ለሲኦሲ ቅርብ ጊዜ ለምትፈተኑት አሪፍ እንደሚሆንላችሁ በጣም እርግጠኛ ነኝ። ምክንያቱም አብዛኛው ዩኒቨርሲቲዎች ፈተና ሲያወጡ ደጋግሞ ያወጣሉ ማለት ነው። ለዛ ሙሉ በሙሉ ቢሰሩ በዛ መልክ ሌላንም ለማንበብ ስለምረዳችሁ ሙሉን ብትከታተሉና ሰርታችሁ ቢገቡ አሪፍ ነው ብዬ አስባለሁ። እስከ መጨረሻ ተከታተሉኝ። አንደኛ ጥያቄ ምን ይላል? In which one of the following cases a court is not expected to hear cases in a closed decision? A. If the cases can affect the public moral. B. If the cases are related to national security. C. If the cases can affect privacy of the parties. D. If the defendant commit the crime by negligence. የትኛውን ትክክለኛ መልስ ዲ ላይ ያለው ነው ማለት ነው። እንደዛ እያረኩኝ ብሰራላችሁ አሪፍ ነው። So courts may hold closed decisions for cases involving public morals, national security, and privacy. ነገር ግን cases involving negligence don't typically require closed decision ማለት ነው. So A ነው የሚሆነው። The next question ቀጣዩ ጥያቄ The principle of dispose of law that gives an accused person undeniable right to be informed the reason for his or her arrest is A. Right against self-incrimination. B. Right to appeal. C. Habeas corpus. D. Presumption of innocence. የትኛው ነው ትክክለኛው መልስ? C ነው ማለት ነው። Because habeas corpus is legal principle that ensures an accused person has the right to be informed of the reasons for their arrest. So, C ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶስተኛ ጥያቄ In FDRE Constitution, the power of establishing the office of Ombudsman in the Human Rights Commission is given to A. House of Federation. B. House of People's Representatives. C. Council of Administration. D. Prime Minister. ትክክለኛው መልስ የትኛው ነው የሚሆነው? House of People Representative የሚለው የሰራ ትክክል ነው ማለት ነው። Because according to the FDRE Constitution, House of People Representative has the power to establish the office of the Ombudsman in the Human Rights Commission. So, B is the correct answer. What about አራተኛ ጥያቄ ምንድን ነው? According to Article 105 of the FDRE Constitution, amendment of the Constitution can be made when A. The Federal Supreme Court approves the proposed amendment. B. The Federal and the State Supreme Court in joint decision approves the proposed amendment. C. The State Administration Council approves the proposed amendment by 2/3 major vote. C. The Council of Member State Federation approves the proposed amendment by 2/3 majority vote. ትክክለኛው መልስ የትኛው ነው? ዲ ነው ማለት ነው። Article 105 of the FDRE Constitution state የሚያደርገው that Constitution amendment require approval by 2/3 majority vote of the Council of the Member States of Federation. So D is the correct answer. What is another? What does supremacy of the Constitution mean? Supremacy of the Constitution ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? Supremacy of the Constitution means that all other laws must align with the Constitution, which is highest legal authority in the country. So, correct answer is this. Other laws in the country should conform to the ኮንስቲቱሽን የሚለው ማለት ነው። ወደ አምስተኛ ስንመለስ which one of the following statement is true about rule of law? A. The prevalence of rule of law jeopardized the smooth functioning of democratic system. B. Rule of law establishes a state dominated and ruled by judges. C. In a government with constitution, there is always prevalence of rule of law. D. Principle of rule of law advocate that no man should be above the law. የትኛውም ትክክለኛ መልስ ዲላለው ማለት ዲላለው the principle of rule of law advocate that no man should be above the law. So the rule of law implies that everyone, including government officials, is subject to law. So ትክክለኛ መልስ ዲ ነው ማለት ነው። ስድስተኛ suppose that a law made is found to be in conflict with the constitution, then what should be done to correct the situation? A. Revising the constitution in line with the law. B. Making the law null and void. C. Making the constitution null and void. D. Making both the law and the constitution null and void. The ትክክለኛ መልሱ making the law null and void የሚለው ነው ቢ ላይ ያለው። Because if a law conflicts with the constitution, it should be declared null and void because the constitution is supreme. በዛ መያዝ አለባችሁ ማለት ነው። ሰባተኛ which one of the following is feature of democratic constitution? ይሄ ሁሌም ሊመጣ የሚችል ጥያቄ ነው ማለት ነው። የዲሞክራቲክ ኮንስቲቱሽን ፊቸሮቹን ማወቅ አለባችሁ። የትኛው ነው የሚሆነው? ጎበዝ። it limit the power of government. A democratic constitution typically limits the power of government for what? To protect the right of citizen. So feature A አንዱ ፊቸር ነው ማለት ነው። ስምንተኛ which of the following is the manifestation of ethnocentric individual? A. They understand people's culture from their own perspective. B. They are open-minded in relation to other societies and the culture. C. The value they give to others' culture leads them to live in hostile relation. They are less arrogant in relation to other culture. የትኛው ነው ትክክለኛው መልስ? They understand people culture from their own perspective. A. Ethnocentric individuals manifestation ነው ማለት ነው። So the correct answer is A. If burden and the benefit are not distributed equally to people, the ultimate outcome could be A. Urban development at the expense of rural areas. B. Harmonious relation among the people. C. Social unrest caused by dissatisfaction. D. Economic development. የትኛው ነው? Social unrest caused by dissatisfaction. Unequal distribution of burdens and the benefit can lead to social unrest. Due to dissatisfaction among the population ማለት ነው። So this is correct answer. When we say there is equality among citizens in a country, it refers that people have equal position in everything. People have equal economic, political, and social status. People are treated different based on their background. people enjoy equal economic, social, and political right. Which is correct answer? D is the correct answer. People enjoy equal economic, social, and political rights ማለት ነው። ትክክለኛ መልስ ነው። Because equality among citizens ማለት that everyone has equal rights በኢኮኖሚክ በሶሻል እና በፖለቲካል ስፌር ማለት ነው። ሶ ዲላለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል። 11ኛ ደግሞ in democratic countries courts are expected to be non-partisan while dealing with cases. This means they should not be member of any political party. They should not belong to any religious group. They should not be based any group. They should not belong to any ethnic group. The correct answer is C. What? They should not be based any group. የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ነን ፓርቲሳን ኮርት ሹድ ቢ ኢምፓርሻል የሚለውን ትይዛላችሁ እንዴ ነን ቢያዝድ የሚለውን ቤዝድ ኦን ኤኒ ግራውንድ ማለት ነው ኢንክሉዲንግ ፖለቲካል ሪሊጂየስ and ethnic affiliation ማለት ነው። so C is the correct answer. 12ኛ which one of the following is the advantage of cultural relativism? የካልቸራል ሪላቲቪዝም ጥቅሙ ምንድን ነው? A. It creates superiority of one's own culture over the other. It enables people to live in harmonious relation. C. It creates misunderstanding of societies. D. It makes people to undermine the culture of others. The correct answer is B. It enables people to live in harmonious relation የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም cultural relativism promote and understanding the respect for different cultures which can lead to harmonious relation ማለት ነው. so B is the correct answer. 13ኛ which of the following statement indicates the difference between tax evasion and tax avoidance? ይህም ብዙ ዓመታት እና ብዙ ግቢዎች ላይ ይመጣል ማለት ነው። A. Tax avoidance is a criminal act punishable by the law, while tax evasion is a lawful act. B. Tax evasion is a criminal act punishable by the law, while tax avoidance is a lawful act. C. Both tax evasion and the tax avoidance are criminal acts punishable by the law. D. Both tax evasion and the tax avoidance are not criminal acts according to the Ethiopian tax law. So the correct answer የትኛው የሚሆነው? Tax evasion is criminal act punishable by the law, while tax avoidance ደግሞ lawful act የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ታክስ ኢቬዥን ኢሌጋል ነው እና በላው ፓኒሼብል ነው። ነገር ግን ታክስ አቮይዳንስ ደግሞ involves using legal means to minimize tax liability የሚለው ትክክለኛ ዴፊኒሽን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። According to the FDR Constitution, the power to approve international agreement is given to A. House of People's Representative, B. House of Federation, C. Executive organ, D. Judiciary Administration Council. The correct answer is House of People's Representative ማለት ነው። The House of People's Representative has the power to approve international agreements according to the FDRA Constitution ማለት ነው። 15ኛ ጥያቄ ስንመጣ a man was arrested without being charged. Which one of the following basic rights of the person was violated? A. The right of arrested person. B. The right of accused person. C. The right to security. D. The right to liberty. The correct answer is the right to liberty ማለት ነው። Because arresting someone without charging them violates the right to liberty ማለት ነው። Another question. According to the Ethiopian penal law, which one of the following crime is considered as homicide? Homicide ማለት ምን እንደሆነ ማወቅ አለባችሁ። ሶ ትክክለኛ መልሱ የትኛው ነው የሚሆነው? ዲ ላለው deliberate transmission of disease የሚለውን ማለት ነው። Deliberate transmission of disease can be considered a form of homicide under Ethiopian penal law ማለት ነው። So the correct answer is D. What about 17ኛ? Identify an all-inclusive term from the given alternative. A. Denotice. B. Public trial. C. Impartial tribunal. D. Dispose of the law. የትኛውን ትክክለኛ መልስ? ዲ ላይ ያለው dispose of the law የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም dispose of the law is an all-inclusive term that encompasses fair treatment through the judicial system ማለት ነው። So this is the correct. 18ኛ ጥያቄ ስንመጣ which government body is responsible for appointing judges for federal courts ማለት ነው። A. House of People Representative. B. House of Federation. C. Council of Ministers. D. Federal Supreme Court. President. The correct answer is House of People Representative የሚለው ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም House of People Representative is responsible for appointing judges for federal court ማለት ነው። So this is correct answer. 19ኛ according to article 93 of the FDRE constitution, the power to declare the state of emergency is given to A. The State Council. B. House of Federation. C. The Council of Ministers. D. House of People's Representatives. አሁንም ትክክለኛ መልስ የትኛው ነው? House of People Representative. According to Article 93 of the FDRE Constitution, House of People Representative has the power to declare a state of emergency ማለት ነው። So this is the correct answer. The head office of Intergovernmental Authority on Development is found in ነው የሚገኘው ጅቡቲ ነው። Head office of Intergovernmental Authority or ኢጋድ የሚለው የት ነው የሚኖረው? በጅቡቲ ነው። Globalized citizens are characterized by A. People who expose criminal acts and corruption without identifying themselves. A. Conscious objectors. B. whistleblowers. C. Arrogant. D. brokers. The correct answer is whistleblower ማለት ነው። What does accountability of state mean? Accountability of state ማለት the duty of the government to establish a modern audit system. B. Responsible of the government to provide efficient service. C. Popular power to hold government level to mislead. This is the correct answer. Which one of the following is the benefit of fulfilling one's own responsibility? A. Lack of self-esteem. and the self-confidence. B. Developing the sense of personal independence. C. Improves one's own life at the expense of others. D. Utilize one's own fundamental rights. የትኛው ነው ትክክለኛ መልስ? Utilize one's own fundamental rights የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Which of the following is not correct about responsibilities? ላይ responsibility ትክክል ያልሆነው የትኛው ነው? A. Which responsibility is a state of being answerable for an obligation. እሱ ትክክል ነው። Sorry. B. Taking the consequence of others' action is the character of responsible citizens. C. Custom is one of the major sources of responsibility. D. A person who fulfills his or her responsibility will be able to utilize his or her own rights. So the correct answer ማለት about responsibility correct አልሆነ የትኛው ነው? Custom is one of the major source of responsibility የሚለው sorry እሱ አይሆንም ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም responsibility is not solely derived from custom. It also comes from laws, ethics and the social norms ማለት ነው።